We have what we call our disc stack technology. It's a permanent media that never needs to be replaced. And in fact, we can actually clean it periodically throughout the day.
I'm here with Phillips from 39, and they've got a really cool, interesting technology. But Phillips, first, what do you do for 39?
I'm the director of sales for our North American division.
Okay, now North American, where did the company start?
We were actually created and started in Sweden, in the Scandinavian area.
How long have you been directing sales in North America for them?
I've been with 39 North America for about 5 years.
Okay, so I want to know, what's one of the things that surprised you about this technology, or maybe why did you start working for them? You could sell for anyone.
You know, I love the technology. It's not just the fact that we produce clean air, not the fact that we're the number one in our market, but we actually make a difference in the world. Allow machinists to go home not smelling like cutting fluid. It's a really good product to sell, knowing that we give back.
Yeah, well, and in manufacturing, it can be such a dark, dirty dungeon. That's the stereotype that a lot of people out there are going to resonate with. So what's the difference that you're seeing in factories that are using 39 products then?
Clean air.
Okay.
Clean air is the name of the game. We're not just separating fluid in the chamber.
Yeah.
We're producing clean air. So we're actually producing cleaner air at the top of our HEPA filter than we would if we weren't there.
Phillips, what makes your technology different then? You're kind of hinting at it, but what's the big differentiator?
We have what we call our disc stack technology. It's a permanent media that never needs to be replaced. And in fact, we can actually clean it periodically throughout the day.
Okay, so not only are you not disposable filters, but you have a cleanable system, so you can help me lower my costs if I'm running a machine shop?
That's exactly right. Yes, sir.
Well, we're going to have to dig into more with that. Phillips, thank you so much, everyone out there. Keep watching, because we're going to learn how this technology works and why it makes sense for your machine shop.